Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best computer desk is probably one of the most crucial pieces of furniture in your home office or gaming setup, serving as the command center for your productivity and entertainment, so choosing the right one means finding a perfect blend of ergonomics, style, and functionality to support long hours of work or play without compromising comfort or efficiency. Number 5. Mount It, Adjustable Rolling Laptop Desk. Free up valuable desk space and enjoy ultimate flexibility with this innovative desk. It's perfect for home offices, classrooms, or any shared workspace where mobility and comfort are essential. Effortlessly transition between sitting and standing positions using its smooth pneumatic foot pedal. Its adjustable height, from 29.6 to 44.2 inches, helps alleviate back strain and promotes a healthier posture throughout your day. Despite its compact footprint, this desk offers a generous 23.6 by 20.5 inch tabletop. It easily accommodates your laptop, notebooks, and accessories, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, and smaller areas. Glide effortlessly across any floor on its 4 smooth caster wheels. When you're ready to work, simply lock 2 wheels in place for complete stability. It's perfect for dynamic workstations, presentations, or even bedside use. Constructed from durable steel, aluminum, and moisture-resistant particle board, it's designed for longevity. This sturdy unit supports up to 17 pounds, providing a wobble-free surface for all your daily tasks. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, with all necessary tools and instructions included. You can have it ready to use in under 10 minutes, allowing you to start working smarter right away. Enjoy peace of mind with Mount It's lifetime warranty. Their US-based product specialists are always ready to provide expert assistance, ensuring support whenever you need it. What we like. This desk offers incredible flexibility with its adjustable height and rolling design. If you need to frequently change your workspace or switch between sitting and standing, this is an excellent choice. Its compact footprint makes it perfect for small apartments or dynamic work environments. What people say. Number 4. Redragon GS520 RGB Desktop Speakers. Experience superior sound quality with these speakers. They feature an advanced sound drive unit and a full-range 2.0 channel stereo core, delivering an auditory feast. Beyond great sound, these speakers boast an attractive lighting bar. With 6 touch-controlled RGB modes, you can set the perfect vibe, or simply switch the lights off. These speakers offer more than just functionality, they feature a minimalist modern urban design. Their brushed material style creates a seamless blend of dynamic style and upscale texture. Adjusting your audio is simple and precise with these speakers. They come with individual volume up and volume down buttons for easy access. Enjoy broad compatibility with these speakers. They are USB powered and connect via 3.5mm audio, making them perfect for PCs, TVs, and laptops. What we like. These speakers deliver an enhanced stereo sound experience with a touch of visual flair. If you enjoy customizing your setup with vibrant RGB lighting and appreciate clear audio, this is for you. They are perfect for gamers or anyone wanting to add a stylish, immersive element to their desktop. What people say. Number 3. VIVO 32-inch Desk Converter K-Series Desk, V000K. This desk riser offers on-demand standing throughout your day. It helps you get out of your chair, relieving muscle tension and reducing stress. Experience increased productivity with this patented design. Its top surface provides ample room, even for dual monitors, maximizing your workspace efficiency. The integrated keyboard tray moves in sync, creating a comfortable and ergonomic setup. Transition seamlessly from sitting to standing with its innovative touch height locking mechanism. It offers a wide adjustment range, elevating straight upwards for convenience. This design supports up to 33 pounds with ease. This riser is designed for minimal assembly, almost ready to use right out of the box. Simply place it on your existing desk, attach the keyboard tray, and your new workstation is ready. Crafted from sturdy, high-grade steel, it's built to last. This product comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Plus, friendly tech support is always available for any questions. What we like. This desk converter transforms your existing desk into an active standing workstation instantly. If you're looking to improve your posture and reduce sitting time without buying a new desk, this is ideal. Its spacious surface accommodates dual monitors, making it perfect for productivity-focused users. What people say. Number 2. Nylavee Hi-Fi Stereo Soundbar. Experience top-notch stereo audio with this soundbar. It features 4 speaker units and 2 independent bass diaphragms, delivering rich highs and powerful bass. Its unique cavity design maximizes loudness for all your audio. This device boasts premium configuration for excellent audio. It uses double-layer neodymium magnet speaker units and mica fiber diaphragms. Plus, it's crafted from non-toxic materials for safer use. Connect effortlessly with 2 convenient methods. You can choose between Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless freedom or a 3.5mm AUX wired connection. It's compatible with laptops, desktops, phones, tablets, and even gaming consoles like Xbox and PS5. Powering this soundbar is incredibly simple. Just plug its USB into any power source, and it turns on automatically. All its functions are easily managed with a single, intuitive side knob. Its special cavity design and premium configurations deliver an exceptional audio experience. You'll enjoy not only deep, powerful bass but also clear and rich high-pitch performance. It's perfect for your bedroom or office. What we like. This soundbar provides top-notch hi-fi stereo sound with versatile connectivity options. If you value deep bass and clear high-pitch performance and need both Bluetooth and wired connections, this is a great fit. It's perfect for enhancing audio for movies, music, or gaming in any room. What people say. Number 1. OneSpace Stanton Computer Desk. This desk is perfect for any corporate or home office setting, fitting seamlessly into contemporary or modern spaces. It features a spacious bottom shelf and a convenient keyboard tray, making it highly functional. It offers ample storage with a 27.5-inch display space and 2 integrated shelves. The pull-out keyboard shelf keeps your accessories organized, while the large bottom shelf can hold books or even a printer. Whether for a monitor and desktop, or as a stylish bedroom desk, it adapts to your needs. You can use it for studying, homework, or simply to display your favorite decor. Constructed with a tubular steel frame and PVC-lined MDF boards, it supports up to 100 pounds. Its sleek wood grain finish adds a classic touch, easily complementing any workstation. OneSpace is dedicated to furnishing environments with stylish, comfortable, and functional pieces. This product is part of a vast line of home and office furniture designed to improve how you live and work. Its design is both sleek and elegant, adding a touch of sophistication to any room. It blends seamlessly with various interior styles. A dedicated pull-out keyboard shelf is integrated for ergonomic comfort and to keep your desk clutter-free. This feature ensures your workspace remains tidy and efficient. What we like. This desk offers a versatile and classic design with practical storage solutions. If you need a compact yet functional desk with a dedicated keyboard tray and extra shelves, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for students or home office users looking for an organized and space-efficient workstation. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.